Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to add highlights on Instagram. Instagram highlights are a great way to keep your best stories visible on your profile even after 24 hours, and they make your profile look more attractive and professional. First of all, launch the Instagram app open on your phone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile page, click on the New button under Edit Profile. If you already have active stories, you'll see the plus button where it says New for highlights. If you don't have active stories, you can still create highlights from your archived stories. Simply tap the New button and then select the stories you want to feature. After selecting the story you want to feature, you can click on Next at the top right. And now, add a short and clear title. After you write down a title, you can also edit the cover for your highlight. Tap on Edit Cover, and then you can go ahead and resize your covers or select a new cover by tapping on the thumbnail icon or the camera roll icon at the bottom left. Now choose a new cover you would like to use from your device's camera roll. After selecting a cover, click on Done at the top right, and then click on Done once again at the top right, and click on Add at the top right corner in order to add the new highlight. Repeat the process to create multiple highlights on your Instagram account. And that's it. You've successfully added highlights on Instagram. This feature helps you keep your best content visible for your followers anytime. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.